Yo, we did it again. We're taking out our REVV1 Ride1up 60 volt version, fresh off the garage just now, testing how fast this baby could go. Let's get it. Alright, top speed. Again, we're running a 60 volt for the first time ever. Alright, we're going 37, 38, 39. Oh gosh, and I have to make a turn. Alright. So it's definitely torquier than the stock controller. I basically overvolted the stock motor. We're not expecting 50 miles per hour on this thing, but it's definitely torquier than stock. And it looks like we're getting at least 39 miles per hour right now. I bought an Amazon controller for like, I don't even know how much, like $50 or something like that. And I have a 60 volt UPP battery plugged in. Let me pull over really quick and just show you my setup, but find some shade here somewhere. And let me get a feel for the motor really quick. I can plug in a 72 volt, make it go faster, but I'm not going to do that because what you want to check is how warm the motor is, which is just fine, and how warm the wirings are. So this is what we got today right now. It's a $50 Amazon controller. Again, we're still just testing it. This is the first few minutes out with it. This is a 60 volt 20 amp UPP battery, also from Amazon, but they're rarely in stock, but you could look at it. Some of them go on eBay. So we're running about, the controller is about 50 amp on the discharge. So 60 volt, 50 amp, that would be around 3,000 watts that we're trying to push in this tiny motor. You could see here, we're fully charged, pretty much fully charged, 65.7 volts. We'll take that out for now. And we're just doing some testing. My DRT REVV1 arrived like 2 days ago, but I've been working on so much other projects that I haven't even unboxed it yet. But before I wanted to get a 3,000 watt or 5,000 watt motor, I wanted to just give the stock motor a chance by overvolting it. Wow, this feels real nice. It's not as powerful as the RX Super73 stock motor, because that one I could push a little more than 3,000 watt. But this one, you know, it's so tiny, such a tiny motor, that we could barely get, I guess, 39. But again, let me find a nice open road, see if I could get more than 39 miles per hour. Yeah, torque-wise, it's definitely better than stock, but it's not as fast, it's not as torquey as a Super 73 RX motor. Alright, 37 miles per hour, 38, 39. Can I get a 40? Oh, the guy in front of me just stopped. But it's a real loud motor. You could hear it screaming compared to the direct drive motors, obviously. But so far it's doing well. I don't think it's burning any motor, but due to such your own risk, I'm only like a 165 pound rider. Again, this is the first time out on it. I have yet to really put it in its paces and stuff. But it's definitely torquey. We're using GPS real accuracy here in terms of miles per hour. I was on the fence about upgrading this bike. It's already real good as is. I still have the original controller here to kind of operate the headlights and the tail lights and the signal lights, but I think this has a shut-off feature of 5 minutes. But I'll go ahead and fix that as soon as after my preliminary testings here. For now, we're just making this bike a little torquier, a little bit faster than stock settings. Alright, let me get on the main street here, find an opening, and let's kind of test a little bit more. Alright, here we go. 21, 24, 26, 29. I just want a bike that keeps up with traffic. 36. 37. 38, and we got a break again. I mean, honestly, I'm keeping up with traffic just fine. So far, I'm keeping up with traffic. Feel the controller. Controller is just barely warm. My controller goes up to 72 volts. I shouldn't go so far because I left my garage open. But so far in these first 5 minutes of testing, so far so good. 39 miles per hour. I'll take it. I'll plug in a 72 volt, but again, I don't want to like overvolt the motor than it already is. This is a nice open road here. Let's try it. $28, $30, $34. Come on, give me 40 so I can go back home. 39, 40. Woohoo! Hell yeah! There you go. And I gotta stop again. Alright. Oh, it even said 41, guys. If you could see my GPS thing here, it says 41 miles per hour. I was looking at the road, so I probably didn't see it, but... So that's a cheap upgrade, guys. If you ever wanted to upgrade your stock motor, if you don't want to spend so much on upgrading your REVV1, Ride1up, and I'm going to try this eventually on the DRT as well. And maybe play with a 72 volt as well, because since I have that. Again, I only spent about 50 bucks on the controller. And about $500 on a 60 volt battery. And you got yourself a street bike. One that can keep up with traffic and what have you. So that's pretty cool. That's all I really wanted. I don't want to beat traffic. I want to just be able to keep up with traffic. Alright folks, that's going to be on today's quick vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on your REVV1 and Ride1up. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. Hell yeah. We've gone about 4.4 miles and 41 miles per hour was our top speed. It takes a while to get there, but at least it's definitely torquier than the stock bike, stock controller.